Today I am here to motivate you for speaking English. But the reason is this, that why I want. I have my own, even right now I am also selfish because I want company of the people who speak. If I will not have the company of the people who is going to speak, then it is none of my business that I come here. And why you all are not speaking, you all have your own problem. Just try to find out your problem, that why you don't want to speak. What is the reason? What are the difficulties? What are the problem when you are just coming to speak here? I would not say anything that you just go and take any suggestion, or you just say again and again. Any motivation is not there. The motivation means you should have your own self motivation. When when you are not eager, when you are not motivated, when you are not inspired for speaking, then none is there who can teach you. A person is his own teacher, his own guider. The person who is just guiding him, he is just giving the way to that person, but that person is the most biggest teacher uh, of that person. Because if that person don't want to speak, if that person don't want to do any work by themselves, then none is there who can just force them to work. So same thing is applying here on this speaking also. If you really want to speak, then you have to just courage yourself from yourself, because only your teacher will push you. After that, your teacher will also be defeated by himself, that if that person don't want, then why should I try? So whatever you want, you have to give your own effort. If you're not ready to give your own effort, then nothing better is going to be in your speaking, or you're not going to get any response. Thank you.